Hello and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to get from this to this. You only need 4 basic tools to do this. Number 1, caulk and a caulk gun. Number 2, a plastic scraper. Number 3, wet cloths. Number 4, painter's tape. The first thing you want to do is to make sure everything is clean so the caulk will adhere properly. The next thing you want to do is to tape around the gap and make sure to push the tape tight against all surfaces. Take your time and do it properly. Do not tape inside the gap. That will rip out the caulk once you take the tape off. I like to tape it just a hair back from the line. This will prevent it from tearing out again. Now comes the fun part. Make sure you use enough, otherwise it won't be flush with the surface once you use your plastic scraper. Now you just put your plastic scraper firmly against the surface and start dragging. Once you have excess material on your plastic scraper, wipe it off with a wet paper towel. This will increase your result. Now everything is flush, you can lightly drag your finger across to make everything smooth, but make sure it's very lightly. The only thing that is left is to take the tape off. And what a perfect finish. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe.